Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and I just want to say thank you. So today, the 19th, is the 4-year anniversary of this channel, and stay tuned till the end for a really cool challenge that I never really thought about. So alright, let's kind of just talk about this for a second. So I cannot believe that 4 years have gone by and everything that has happened in these 4 years, the things that have changed me, the things that I've changed the way that I'm thinking, and the things that have changed with this channel. So right now I'm at 67, so I thought that was a really cool one to show up. So YouTube has done this really interesting chart, but here's the past year, and this is how many subscribers I've gone from in the past year, and then here is the lifetime of this channel. So I guess I kind of have a lot of thoughts about this. Is that sometimes I get down or frustrated that it's not growing as fast, but the changes and the authenticity of the people that I want to support, I believe we're truly supporting individuals who really want to learn Python, who really want to learn Python. And then also I want to show this to you for the people who are struggling with whatever goal. Things are not going to go as fast as you want them. And that's just life. I love the Mike Tyson quote, "Everybody has a plan until they get hit in the mouth." Look, life, and I've been saying that a lot recently. You can have a plan, but what are you going to do? What are you going to do when the plan doesn't go the way you want it to? That's life. So I want you to sit here. I want you to think that after. So here, would you on from March 22nd, I guess it started to show up, through April. So basically 13 months. 20 subscribers, 30 subscribers. Then I kept working. So look, I still get discouraged, but you guys keep me motivated. And then other people see and watch and give me feedback. Look, I wanted this place to be for me if I was starting over. What all would I want? What all would I need? And that's what this is, because I want this to last 10 years. I want this to last, well, however long as that YouTube lasts. So this has taken 4 years to get to here. It would take 4 years to undo it. So I want to get to 1 million, and it might take 10 years, but then it would take 10 years to undo those 1 million subscribers. So there we go. All right. So that's my little speech about that. Now let's go ahead and look at this very cool challenge. All right. So I saw this post and I thought this was fantastic. So reverse a string without using a list to flip it. So that took me a little bit to think about this, and it was very interesting. So let's copy this and bring this over here. So there's my string that we're going to reverse. All right, and you don't think about. This is what programming is. You don't think about it until you think about it. So I want to do this in reverse order. So at first I thought about it and I was, okay, so how am I going to go in reverse? And I did this really awkward thing where I went in reverse order. But then it dawned on me that it doesn't need to be like that. So then I have my blank string. So now I put this and I put this behind it. So I want you to watch this. Print, reverse. So I want you to think about this just for a second. So we typically add our increment to the end of it. We're going to be putting this in the beginning of it. So this goes before our blank, then 4 goes, A after our blank, B after our A, in front of our A. I'm even misspeaking. So let's just run it and show you. So, all right, A, then that's my reverse. Then I'm putting B in front of it, then C in front of that. And I'm incrementing, but I'm incrementing my new at the edge, at the end. So this, I loved this. It was a question that I've been teaching this for almost 7 years now. And I had never thought about this challenge or run across this challenge. And this was absolutely phenomenal. And I just had to share. I thought it was a great question. It's perfect for programming, thinking outside the box. Because I bet you anything, now that I came across this, there's probably going to be a reason for me to need to use it. And I just had to share. So there we go, guys. Happy anniversary to this channel. Or happy birthday. I don't know how to describe it. But yeah, 4 years ago, a lot of things were changing in my life and in my family. It's very close to a birthday in my little crew. And it just got me motivated, got me going, realized that time was going by. Look, time goes by if we do stuff or not. Just start doing stuff and you'll feel better about the time going by. It makes it a lot easier. So there we go, guys. There's my little spiel for the day. Thank you, everybody, for being here. I really appreciate all the support. You guys keep me motivated. So thank you very much. Stay tuned, and we'll see you guys next time. Oh, and share this with anybody who's wanting to learn Python, and make sure you're staying tuned, checking these videos out, because I bet there's one here you haven't seen. See you guys next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.